Today we have a video from Blue Watch, and the title of the video is Shoplifter Escalates a Simple Warning into Jail Time.
Is she in the self-checkout?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Camouflage hat?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Hi. How's it going?
I'm doing fine.
Okay. Well, the store asked me to stop you because they saw that you weren't paying for some of the items.
I did, and I promise you I did. She just came right there. I was right there paying. You can check the receipt. I paid for everything.
Okay. Can I see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
I mean, sir.
All right. Now let's move over here.
And if all my stuff on my receipt, what's going to happen then if they thought I was stealing? Okay, please check it.
Okay. And
I have 3 letters.
Okay, I will. I'm not going to arrest you. They just want you no trespass. Okay? That's it? So do you have your driver's license with you?
I don't drive.
Okay. Do you have an ID?
No, I don't drive. I'm with somebody else.
Okay. Yeah, I already stopped your other friend.
Who?
I don't remember her name.
Oh.
But you guys came here in a Mitsubishi. So I already talked to her.
Okay.
She's already been no trespass because she's already been seen stealing twice now.
What, from here?
Yes. She walked out with merchandise twice.
So now
Well, she put down a basket. Or she left the basket.
No, this was my basket. I left it right there to go get some lines.
Well, she was pushing it around, and then she left it there, and then you picked it up. So, which leads us to believe you guys are together, okay? Because you guys are pushing.
What up? This right here. This was my.
Okay. Like I said, you're not going to be arrested.
Okay.
They just want you to no trespass. Okay. What's your name?
Melinda Wynn.
Last name is Wynn, W-Y-N-N. First name is Melinda.
Yup, she giving a fake name.
Can you check my stuff, please?
Can I get a store associate? Can you just do a receipt check for me? Now, is there anything that is not on the receipt because they're going to do a receipt check?
Everything is on there.
And as of right now, they just want you no trespass.
Everything.
Okay? I'm just letting you know what's going to happen.
Because I didn't steal nothing. I put everything right there.
Okay. Well, back off her a little bit.
Please wait. System processing.
Let's see, it came out for $128.
To a cashier for payment.
Everything I just reran came to $133.22. And hers was $120.52.
Okay. They're going to remove the items that weren't paid for. Okay. All right. So come with me for a second.
Okay.
You're going to sit in my car for a second while I go talk to your sister and get your.
So what? There's a $10 differential? She's stealing that little bit of stuff? Come on, man. What's the differential?
This reran came to $133.22. And hers was $120.52.
Okay. They're going to remove.
133 and hers is 120. $13. Damn, you getting caught out there for $13.
The items that weren't paid for. Okay. All right. So come with me for a second.
Okay.
You're going to sit in my car for a second while I go talk to your sister and get your driver's license or ID, whatever it is. Okay. And then you're going to be no trespass, and then you're going to be let go. Right over here.
Where's my sister?
She's parked over there. Come on. Like I said.
No, my shoe. I dropped my shoe.
Just have a seat for a second. I'm gonna go get your ID.
Why I gotta sit in the car?
Because I can't. I don't have enough people here to where.
Well, can you cop? She gone.
Come on.
Let's just go back because she gone, and I want my stuff. Can we just go back and get the car,
please? Have a seat for
please?
30 seconds. Okay. That's all I need.
Why are you touching? There she go.
Okay. Well, have a seat. You keep making this difficult.
I'm not. I gotta sit in the car for what? I don't want to. Please, can you?
If you don't,
I just want to go back in.
If you don't, then I am going to arrest you. Okay? So have a seat.
For what though?
Well, over here.
Okay.
Come on.
No, she's shady. She's shady. She deserved to go to jail.
Oh, stop. Come on, over here.
Sir, can you please don't? Shanae!
Come on.
Sir, why are you acting so rough with me, sir?
I am not. You are not.
You are.
As I asked. Have a seat.
Why have to get in the car? Sir, why are you acting so? No, please. Okay, I'm gonna get in. Okay.
Have a seat.
Okay.
Right now.
Okay.
This is the last time I ask.
Okay, I am. I am. Can you let me go?
Put your shoes on.
I can't believe
Come
it.
on, Melinda.
Sydney!
This is it.
Sir, can you please stop? Sir, no, I am. Can you stop, sir? They record. Okay, sir, I am. Please don't do that to me, sir. sir.
Another unit.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. Just don't act so rough with me, sir.
Sit.
Okay. Excuse me, can y'all get my okay, sir, I am, please. I am. Sir, okay. You hit me in my mouth, sir. I'm not. Can y'all record? Okay, sir, I'm gonna get in. I promise you. Please, okay.
Then get in.
Okay, I promise. I'm sorry.
Now.
She going to jail now, regardless if she get in or not. This is fucking ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous. She's hiding something. Something is more going on because a simple trespass, that's it. You're going to get a piece of paper and you're going to be gone. That's it. And you're going to turn this into a whole big ordeal? The sister got trespassed. No problem. You see, she's still out there. She's still in her car. Whatever. What's the big deal? She's hiding something.
Can you calm down? I'm sorry.
Let go.
I'm sorry.
Let go.
Okay.
Let go.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir. Can you stop?
Melinda.
I said okay.
I'm not going to keep doing this with you.
Okay, I'm going to get in. Just walk with
Do
me.
it. Let's go.
Don't touch me like that. Okay. Sir, you keep on touching me like...
You're not doing as I ask you to.
Okay, why do I have to? You said I'm going to be going to jail for what?
Because you're not giving me your correct
Look what you
name.
did.
You lied. You stole things.
I didn't steal.
Have a seat in the back of my car.
Could you go get the workers, please? I didn't steal, sir.
You didn't pay for things.
Why you didn't take her to jail then? The other girl, she stole all that and I didn't. I didn't steal. Don't touch me. I'ma get in the car, just please tell me.
2023 to Dennis Lachey out of Gary, Indiana. Going back on the area. I got the call on
Okay.
Come on. Yes, please, get the thief on camera, please.
I'm not a thief. The other lady stole.
Come on. Have a seat in the car.
The other lady stole and not me. Like, I didn't steal nothing, please. Excuse me, can you get my sister from my... Sherelle, that go my sister.
Yeah.
Sherelle, get her my ID, sis. Hurry up, Sherelle.
You got 449. Where's the other?
That she go my sister. Get her my ID. Sherelle, get her my ID. Hurry up. Sherelle, get her my ID.
Have a seat in the car. I am trying not to be rough with you. Have a seat in the car. Sit down.
Sherelle, can you get her my ID?
Sit down in the car.
Look, she got it. I need some air. I be having asthma attacks. I can't sit in
Okay,
I'm not gonna do nothing wrong.
Have a seat in the car.
She right there, my sister. Sherelle, get her my ID.
Sit in the
You
car.
can put me in cuffs and I can sit out here, please. I be having asthma attacks in a hard car. Just please, I'm complying with you. I just don't want to sit in the car. My sister right there with the ID, please, sir. She right there.
Have a seat.
Because I don't want you to make this worse. He's going to cut the air on for you. You have asthma.
My sister right there.
That's great. Have a seat in the car.
Sherelle, get her my ID and I'm bleeding. He cut me with the cuffs.
Oh, you mean the cuffs that you grabbed and tried to rip
No,
out my hand?
I didn't touch you, sir. They got it on camera.
I got it on camera. Have a seat inside the car.
Go ahead, have a seat in the car. He'll cut the air on. I'll make sure he cuts the air on. Because I don't want this to escalate, okay? Go ahead, have a seat in the car.
Sherelle, can you get her my ID, please?
All this because you stole.
I didn't steal.
You did.
That
There's
shit
stuff
on
that you didn't ring up.
Sherelle, that shit on the receipt.
It's not on the receipt. Have a seat inside the car.
Man, yo. He a better man than me, and I know why he's not really pressing the issue is because he's waiting for backup. But me, I would have zapped her ass, taser. Facts. Come on, man. He a better man than me, cause I'd have had to get her together. I ain't gonna lie. Shit, back up on the way, man. But they ain't here yet, man. You're not just about to keep walking, and then especially when she did grab on him. She did grab on him and everything. Listen. And then you keep shutting the door and everything. Like, man, what you think this is, man? Think this is a fucking game? You think this is a fucking game? With the taser, not a gun now. You think this is a fucking game? If you don't get your ass in that car in about 5 seconds, I'ma taser you. and she gonna play games, and you gotta bow. Oh shit. That's how I go, man. That's how I go. Yeah.
Sherelle, please, sis. Get him my ID.
I am trying not to be rough with you.
I know you're not. I'm not finna run, sir. I'm not running.
Sit down. That's it.
Here come other police officers.
Yes,
I don't
because you're not doing it
Okay, that's
yourself.
okay. They can do whatever. Sherelle.
Come on.
You don't want this to escalate. Don't let it escalate. Come on.
Okay, like, no.
Get in the car.
Up. Sherelle.
Jesus, running southbound.
Unbelievable. Wait, and is that car door open? Hold on.
Okay, like, no.
Get in the car.
Up. Sherelle.
Jesus, running
Unbelievable.
southbound. Hi.
What is he doing?
She stole, huh?
I'm not pulling off.
Move, bro.
I'm not pulling,
Move,
I'm not
Julia.
pulling off in no car.
Julia,
I would turn it
I'm
off.
not pulling off.
Okay, I would turn it
I'm not
off.
pulling off. I'm not
Give me
pulling
the
off.
key.
I'm not pulling off in no car, man.
Now you're in trouble. Roll over. He's good. He didn't do anything.
The bystander like or the other dude, he said, I ain't pulling off in no car, man. You ain't getting me. I'm good. I'm staying right here, sir. No. Look. He's at, wait, what's going on? I'm not pulling off in no car, man.
No.
Okay, I would.
What is he doing?
Look at this shit here.
Hi.
What is he doing?
She stole,
I'm
huh?
not pulling off.
Move, bro.
I'm not pulling,
Move,
I'm not
Julia.
pulling off in no car.
Julia,
I would turn it
I'm
off.
not pulling off.
Okay, I would turn it
I'm not
off.
pulling off. I'm not
Give me
pulling
the
off.
key.
I'm not pulling off in no car, man.
He said, I ain't pulling off, man.
Now you're in trouble.
Ah, good
Roll
tackle.
over. Silver card. He's good. He didn't do anything.
Okay. I don't want that. You looking for someone else?
No. Okay. She gave me a bullshit name. Stole.
I didn't steal. Get the fuck off me.
I'm locking your cuffs. Shut up. All right, let's get it rolling.
Don't touch me.
Come on. Come on, stand up.
Y'all, cause y'all, I didn't do shit.
All you had to do is sit in the car. That's all you had to do. And now you're being arrested. Stole $20 worth of stuff.
I didn't steal shit.
Come on. Stop. Ridiculous.
Didn't even steal shit.
Sit down. Can you close the other door? Do it later. Stupid. Yeah. What?
He just took off on you?
Yeah. I was trying not to use of force on her. Lean back. I gotta buckle you in. I gotta buckle you in. Lean back.
How much, sir? Please, I don't want to go to jail, sir. Please, I'm sorry. Sorry, I thought you were gonna let me go.
Yeah, if you gave me a real name.
I said Monica.
What's your name?
Melinda Wynn.
Melinda?
I said Monica, please. That's it. Sorry.
Melinda Wynn. That shit don't even sound like a black name. Like, what the? Come on, man. No, that ain't it. He knew off the rip. He like, okay, Melinda Wynn. Right. Okay.
Please, sir.
Oh, look at this. Fucking after all of that, you get sentenced to 8 days in jail fucking shit show, man. She's a piece of work. Real piece of work. 8 days in jail. At least give her 6 months, man. This is why people continue to do these things. It's no time. She only got the 8 days. Is really time served. It's really probably time served because she went to jail and she probably didn't have the money to bond out. So she just sat until the court date and they say, whatever, time served. Like that's probably what happened. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.